Good evening from Dollywood Theme Park in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It's Ryan.
And Brie.
And Hannah.
And here is what we will be doing on today's adventure. With Dollywood Summer Celebration officially kicking off, we're going to be grabbing some tasting passes, explaining to you how they work and help you answer the question of, is it worth it to get one as we go around the park trying out all of the new festival food. We will show you where all these items are located, tell you which festival nacho is our favorite as Hannah figures out what pork rinds are. Some things we'll just try a bite and bring home, other things don't make it off the table. Spoiler alert, there is no dessert that makes it home with us. So I hope you guys are hungry because we're gonna head around the park and get some food. Without further ado, let the adventure begin. The first thing we're gonna do now that we're inside Dollywood is we're gonna go get a tasting pass. You can get a tasting pass anywhere festival food is sold, including the bakery and the ice cream shop here, or you can get one online in advance. If you do get one online in advance, you're gonna pick it up right here. The cost of a tasting pass is $36.99, or it comes out to about $41 after tax, or if you are a gold or diamond pass holder, it's $33.99, or it comes out to about $38 after tax. The tasting pass is good for 5 festival items and only festival items. You can't go over and get cinnamon bread with it. It's good through August 6th. You can use it all in one day, or you can use one scan a day over 5 days. It's up to you how you use it, but you have to use it by August 6th. And we would not recommend using it on things like drinks that are only $5.99. So we have our tasting pass, our appetite, and a backpack with some Ziploc baggies because there's no way we're gonna be able to eat all this ourselves. We're gonna try a bite of each one as we head into the park. We pass by the ice cream shop and the candy shop. We'll come check out these places later and show you what they have in here that's special for the festival. But our first stop is right past the water hose fountain, this festival fair right here. On the right side, they have some items that are not new for this festival, but I wanted to show you the potato tornado, the twisted dog, and the loaded potato tornado. We have gotten this before, and it's really fun to try loaded with cheese and bacon. And for the festival, they do have a blue lemonade for $5.99. And on this side, they have 2 hibachi skillets, one with chicken and one with pork belly, as well as a Cobb salad and a quinoa salad. We'll show you the Cobb salad a little bit later. We did try the quinoa salad during their spring festival, and between it and the Cobb salad, we like the Cobb salad a little bit better. And at this location, they have a mountain berry lemonade. Here is a look at the chicken skillet. The pork is gonna be the same thing, just a different meat on top.
This is the hibachi skillet with chicken. That's very good. It has like a teriyaki sauce on top. The chicken is moist and the rice is well cooked. It's very good. I like it.
I'm doing my happy dance.
That means she likes it.
Right next to where we got the chicken skillet, they have a festival fair booth right here where they have a cucumber tomato salad. Here is a look at the cucumber tomato salad.
It has a red wine vinaigrette as the dressing. Really big chunks of cucumber. The red wine vinaigrette tastes good. The tomato, onion, and cucumber are fresh, but honestly, they're just kind of big and hard and awkward to eat. So I probably wouldn't get this again just for that reason. If they cut it into like little tiny pieces and it was easier to eat, I would get it again.
Next, we come to Miss Lillian's Smokehouse, which I have Miss Lillian right here.
Hey, you hungry? Follow me.
All right,
Come on, y'all.
Let's go see what she's got here.
We got lots of food, good food. There are 3 selections. Look at that.
The 3 selections here are the 3 Little Pigs sandwich, the pork belly on a stick, and I'll let Miss Lillian tell you about the Southern fried corn. This was a favorite of ours last summer celebration.
It's southern fried corn on the cob. It's battered with buttermilk and Cajun-inspired bread. Lord, child, people sit over here and just talk to that corn. It's so good. Yeah, then I do a corny song for them. It just kind of seals the deal.
So we scanned our tasting pass for all 3. Here's a look at the corn. Here's the 3 Little Pig sandwich. Here is a look at the pork belly on a stick.
The 3 Little Pig sandwich has roasted pork loin, pulled pork shoulder, and smoked sausage covered in Memphis-style barbecue sauce. They give you some coleslaw you can put on top. Want to do it over the thing?
Yeah, do it on this part.
So the 3 Little Pig sandwich definitely needs a coleslaw because it's a lot of meat on there. coleslaw gives a nice crunch with it. So it's good, but I don't know if it'll be my favorite. So the pork belly on a stick was about what I expected. So it's a little too fatty for me. It has a good flavor, but the beans are really good. Hannah's trying the southern fried corn. What do you think, Hannah?
It's always good. Like last year it was good. It's good.
I'm gonna throw the rest of this in a baggie, and I don't think we'll be taking any of that with us.
So good.
I think it's in the running for the top food item so far. Well, I think the corn was a success. I think that might be the favorite so far. In addition to the 3 festival items, right next door is Miss Lillian's Barbecue, has a number of salads, barbecue platters, and baked potatoes. Granny Ogles is another option that you can eat while here in the park. Here is a closer look at their menu. You can see the gluten-friendly, vegan, and vegetarian options marked. Next, we work our way over to the Iron Horse Pizza, which is right across from the train. Here you would find your traditional pizzas and salads. During the summer celebration, they have an open-faced grilled cheese we're excited to try out. They also have an Antipasto salad and a Southern Cobb salad. Here's a closer look at the open-faced grilled cheese in comparison to the tasting pass. Well, let's see how it actually tastes.
That looks ooey gooey delicious. Give it a try, Hannah.
Look at all that cheese.
You want some dipping sauce?
All I taste is cheese, 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 a little bit of bread, cheese. Did I mention cheese?
It's really good. Lots of fun cheeses on there. We got provolone, Swiss, cheddar, and cream cheese with a side of gazpacho. It is really good. This and the corn are topping the list so far.
Here's a look at the 2 salads compared to the tasting pass.
So we're gonna go ahead and put that in. This is Italian dressing. We're gonna shake that baby up. Shake, shake, shake. It's like a salad shaker like they used to have at McDonald's. Okay. So an antipasto salad has pasta with meats and cheese and tomatoes and some pepperoncinis. And I always like a salad like this, so. She's still shaking. This is really good. If you like meats and cheeses and things like that, it's almost like a pasta charcuterie board in a cup. It's good, and the dressing is really, really good too.
The Cobb salad is very good. It tastes like a Cobb salad, but in my opinion, I think it needs more cheese.
From the Iron Horse Pizza, we could walk down here to the Country Fair where we could get soft serve ice cream or a ice cream waffle sandwich for $6.99, which is what we did the day before. Hannah said it was really good. Another option to get some food is at Dogs and Taters. Here's a look at their current menu and pricing. Right next to Dolly's Tennessee Home, you'd find this festival fare. They have spicy black bean nachos, loaded chicken nachos, ultimate pork rind nachos, and this is where you get the boba peach tea. Here's a closer look at the pork rind nachos and their size compared to the tasting pass. The loaded chicken nachos, the spicy black bean nachos.
First up, the pork rind nachos. Cheers. Well,
These are stale.
I think they're just pork rinds. Well, I really like the meat and the cheese on top.
These aren't good. I'm just being honest.
Hey Hannah, do you know what pork rinds are?
No.
Don't tell her.
Okay.
What? Don't tell her what. Wait, tell me. Wait, what are they?
What are they, Ryan?
Some people would say they're little bits of amazingness. But I don't think Hannah's a big fan.
Fried intestines,
No.
fried pork belly, the skin, yeah, fried skin of the pig. It's pork rinds are the fried skin. And now we're gonna try the spicy black bean nachos. Eek. Those are really good, and actually they're not spicy at all. I'm not sure why they call them spicy.
They're actually really good.
They're really good. It's just like black beans and corn and tomatoes and cheese and onion. I'm surprised how much I like these. I think I'm gonna have another one. Let's try the loaded chicken nachos. So the loaded chicken nachos are actually really good. They're very fresh. They have a very fresh taste to them. They have a cilantro lime crema on top, which just is really good. I like it. Hannah doesn't prefer it?
Yeah, I don't prefer it.
I like it.
My favorite, but it's good. But I don't know if I really like it's my favorite thing. But yeah,
they're not like a traditional nacho. It gives it a different flavor, but I really like it.
So now that you've tried all three, on the count of three, point to the one that you would like to order again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the black bean nachos.
Number 2 would be coming in at number 3, the pork rind nachos.
No. -1 million.
There's plenty there.
Just around the corner is Aunt Granny's restaurant. It's an all-you-care-to-eat family-style restaurant. If you're looking to cool off this summer in Dollywood, you can come in here. It's $27 a person. We'd recommend getting a reservation in person as soon as you get into the park. Next, we're gonna try some funnel cakes here at Crossroads Funnel Cake. For $11.99, you can get a traditional funnel cake, but we're gonna try out the s'mores funnel cake. For $9.99, we're gonna do a tasting pass scan. Here is a closer look at the s'mores funnel cake. This looks really good. Excited to try this thing out.
Okay, let's give it a try. So the s'mores funnel cake is super good. It's ooey, gooey, delicious. I thought the marshmallow on top was gonna be real thick and too rich, but it's actually kind of like a light, fluffy marshmallow. It's not too heavy. And the chocolate on top is a nice, rich, almost dark chocolate. You like it?
Yes.
It screams summer. Summer s'mores, gooey delicious. I really like it.
You can always come and get reservations at the Front Porch Cafe. You're welcome to pause the video as we scroll through their current menu and prices. You can see what is gluten-friendly, vegan, and vegetarian. We're going to try another dessert at the same festival fair that we got the cucumber tomato salad. You can also get a mango paletas or a cookies and cream paletas. These are a Mexican frozen treat for only $5.99.
Here is a look at the cookies and cream paleta and the mango paleta.
Clink. It's cold. Rainbows, that's why I didn't bite into it.
I don't know how yours is, but this is surprising and good. Almost like a frozen yogurt, so it has more of a cream base. And the biggest surprise of all is I didn't exactly know what that was, but it's actually salt on top, which you would think salt on an ice cream type bar, but it really brings out the flavor. It's fun, it's good and refreshing. What do you think of yours?
Mine kind of tastes like a chocolate fudge bar. It's actually really good with like Oreos on it. I really like it.
All right, let's switch.
Okay. I can definitely taste the salt.
Well, that's good. That's just like a delicious cookies and cream Oreo type cream bar. It's good, but I think I like that one better.
I like that one better.
Want to switch back?
Yeah.
Okay.
I could taste the salt in it. I don't like it, but...
You didn't prefer the salt? It's definitely different. Stuff's coming through.
I'm gonna try these and see which one I like as well.
Have a good guess.
Cookies and cream is very good. Let me try the mango. I gotta add a strawberry on top.
Of course.
Stick that on top.
And bottom. It's like a strawberry sandwich.
Oh, it is a strawberry sandwich. The mango is really good too. The strawberry on top really adds a yummy wow level, but I'm gonna switch with you. I think I like that one. This is good. This is kind of like a date.
This is.
Yeah, this is great.
If you could just stay there, Hannah.
All right, Hannah, we're
be a
gonna
while.
hang here and have our, how do you say this? How do you pronounce this? What is this called? what?
Paleta.
Paleta. I'm gonna have a lot of paleta here in a
So
minute.
we'll see ya later.
This is pretty good. Cookies and cream for the win.
Mango.
Cookies and cream. Let's head into the sweet shop candy kitchen to see what they have in here. Here's a look at some of their specialty apples for $11.99 they have this summer. They have a number of different chocolates and candies in here for the summertime. They have a strawberry cheesecake fudge, a mango raspberry splash, a summer sunrise, and an orange cream chocolates, peanut butter, etc., etc. We're gonna head into the ice cream shop here to see what they have. Next, we're gonna try out the peanut butter cup waffle and the cookies and cream waffle. Each of these are $7.
We're just gonna pay for these instead of using our scan because they're only $6.99, and with our discount, it's cheaper than using our scan. So we've made our way to the back of the sweet shop. It's a nice, quiet area if you are looking for just a place to have your ice cream, cool down, and just have some quiet. This is a great spot to go. So on the left we have the peanut butter cup liege waffle, and you can pick whatever kind of ice cream you want. So we went with butter pecan. And on the right we have the cookies and cream waffle, and we picked Smoky Mountain fudge as the ice cream on top, which is one of our family favorites. Okay, let's see which one we like better.
I'm trying the Oreo one, and you're trying the Reese's one.
Ding.
Okay. Ding. It tastes like Oreos with ice cream, with the waffle, with whipped cream, with crushed little pieces of whatever was in the fudge. Smoky Mountain fudge thingy. It's really good. I really like it. Do you like it?
A lot of rich goodness, very sweet, definitely shareable because it's so rich. Want to switch?
Not really, but yep, there's a bite right there for you.
I prefer the cookies and cream waffle, but honestly I think that's just a matter of taste because I just prefer chocolate to peanut butter, so I think they're both good. It's just a matter of what your preference is. I do think that Smoky Mountain fudge ice cream is better than the butter pecan, and I like the butter pecan, but the Smoky Mountain fudge is just really good.
Do you rather have the waffle or the funnel cake?
I would rather have the funnel cake. What about you?
I would rather have the waffle because it has ice cream on it.
The funnel cake has more unique components to it, like that really nice light marshmallow whip. Ice cream is great, but that's just something more unique to try.
We're gonna stop by the bakery and see what treats are available this summer. They've got a number of bakery items in here. They have a festival cannoli, just a colorful looking cannoli, and right behind that looks like a coat of many colors looking cookie. And if you're really hungry, you can always grab a 25-pound apple pie for $229 or a gigantic slice for $20. Another place I wanted to point out to get food is back here in Wildwood Grove. You'd find Till and Harvest Food Hall. They're going to have some cheeseburgers, chicken tenders. They're also going to have a couple Mexican favorites and going to give you some great options for gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, as they can customize it according to your needs. Right next to Till and Harvest, you'd find Sweets and Treats, which is gonna have some hot dogs, some drinks, and some ice cream. One last place I wanted to point out you could get some food is Lumberjack's Pizza, which is exactly what they're gonna have along with some salads right across from the drop line. So what was the best of the fest? Well, our rankings are as followed. In third place was that chicken skillet. Made Hannah have a happy dance. It was pretty good. Second place was the open-faced grilled cheese. This thing was super cheesy. Everyone enjoyed this. But our favorite of the day was the Southern fried corn. It won it last year and it won it again. One of our family favorites. As far as dessert, can't go wrong with the paletas. For only $5.99, a nice cool treat on a hot summer day. As far as flavor, you also can't go wrong with this s'mores funnel cake. Both are very good. We'd love to hear from you in the comments of everything that we showed you. What would you like to try the most? Also, was this video helpful? Let us know, and we'll also make a food guide for the fall and the Christmas festival as well. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.